In this video, you will learn to promote ClickBank products with a special free traffic source that we have never talked about in any of our previous YouTube videos. This is a kind of brand new free traffic source that you can use to promote ClickBank products in order to make good amount of money without any skills. You don't need to create anything. You just need to watch this video tutorial till the end and follow each and everything that I am going to show you in this video in a step-by-step process, and you are done. It is kind of copy paste strategy. So watch this video till the end and don't miss any information that I am going to provide you in this video. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel, and if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. First thing is you need a ClickBank account, and if you don't have a ClickBank account, just visit to clickbank.com, click on start here and follow the step-by-step instruction, and you will be able to create your own ClickBank account in few minutes. Once you have your own ClickBank account, then just log into ClickBank account and just click on this marketplace, and you'll see somewhat this kind of interface. And do nothing, just scroll below and select health and fitness, because the traffic source that we are going to use is more suitable for the product that are related to health and fitness. So once you select that health and fitness, then just select this gravity, okay, so that you can see the product that is bringing more sales for other affiliates in ClickBank. Now it's your job to find out the most interesting product that people may want to buy, okay. It must be something new that have came lately, and that is not extremely expensive, okay. So you need to source that kind of product. So this product would be fine according to the description that I have provided you recently. So now what you can do is just click on this promote button, and here is your nickname, and just click on create hop link, and this is going to be your affiliate link. You can simply copy it and then visit to a site that is called bit.ly and make this long URL short by using bit.ly. Now once you have sorted your link, then you can visit to a specific site that is called odysee.com, odysee.com, and then just click on sign up, and you can create your absolutely free account in Odysee within 1 minute. Now if I show you how much traffic does this site receives on monthly basis, and let me show you, it receives like 25 million monthly visit with an average visit duration of 7 minutes, okay. Those people who come to this site stays for average 7 minutes, and most people who visit to this site are from United States, UK, Canada, Germany, France, and so on. So these are the countries where you can sell ClickBank products, especially in United States. So it's extremely simple to create account on Odysee. Just click on sign up, and you can just simply put your email address and then verify your email by clicking on the link that Odysee will send you for verification. Once you do this much, then after that what you need to do in this site I will tell you. Now once you create your account and log in Odysee, then you just visit to youtube.com and then type weight loss, or maybe you type fitness, type something that is related to health, and make sure select the videos with highest amount of views, okay, like 2 million, 500k, that kind of videos. Just select it, okay. And then once you select that, then just click on it and open it, and you'll see somewhat this kind of interface. And then what you can do is just click on this share and then copy this link. Once you copy this link, then visit to a special site that is called y2mate.com and just paste the URL that you have recently copied, and then you will see this kind of download button, and you can download this 720p in a easy way. Just click on download, and immediately it will start to download your video in few minutes. Once you do this much, then what you can do is just go to Odysee and then click on this icon and click on uploads, and then click on upload something new. Now you can simply click on this browse, and wherever your video is, just select that. So here is the video that I have downloaded. Just click on open. Now as you can see, title is automatically populated. You can simply change this title a little bit if you want, but if you want to leave it as it is, then also you can do it too. Okay, now in case of description, what you can do is again visit to the same YouTube video from where you downloaded this video and select the description that makes sense. Okay, just copy that much description, or what you can do is you can simply read this description and write your own version of description. And once you do this much, then now you need to place your affiliate link at here. Now in order to put your affiliate link, what you can do is just give us a little bit space at here. After giving this space, just type these things like click here to lose weight fast, or lose weight in an easy way. Whatever you want to write, just write it and then paste your affiliate link. So just don't directly paste ClickBank link, instead shorten that link and then paste the link from bit.ly. Okay, in this way. Once you do this also, then scroll below and then just click on take a snapshot for thumbnail. Okay, just click on take a snapshot and find a good part in the video. So this seems a fine thumbnail, so just click on upload, and then you can see your thumbnail will look something like this, which is a little bit interesting. What's wrong with losing weight rapidly? And this kind of thumbnail attracts people to view this video. Now you need to add some tags. You can just type weight loss, fitness, and whatever it is related to health and fitness, you can write those hashtags. Okay, you can write up to I think 5 hashtags you can put here. Now you can just click on these additional options and scroll below and make sure it is free is selected at here, and scroll below and then you can simply click on upload and upload this video in Odyssey. So now once you hit that upload button, then in this way your video will be start to upload at here. So once your video is successfully uploaded, then you will see somewhat this kind of interface, and you can just click on this view my upload and you will see your video that you have recently uploaded at here. And if you scroll below, then you will see the description at here, and here is the affiliate link that you have sorted and kept at here. So now whenever people watch this video, and then they can read this description and they can also click on this link and they will reach to the affiliate product from ClickBank through your affiliate link. And if they purchase that product, then you are going to make commission. Now just don't stop by uploading a single video. Okay, start to upload more interesting video in the similar way that I have shown you. Now some of your initial videos may not get some views, but don't lose hope and keep on posting the videos that I have shown you how you can download from YouTube and post it at here. And once you consistently start to do this, then no one can stop you from making good amount of money from ClickBank. So guys, this much I wanted to show you in this video. If you want to watch more interesting videos that are related to making money online, then I have handpicked some of my previous YouTube videos specially for you and kept all of those in the description of this YouTube video. You can check that. So guys, take care, have a great life ahead. Bye bye.